Hello, my name is Teacher Lizzie. Today we are going to make a telescope. Can you say telescope? That's great. You use a telescope to look at the stars. Are you ready? Let's go. This is my art bag from the art box. If I sent you an art box, then this bag is inside. Inside we have a cardboard tube. Some cardboard tubes have the clothespin. The clothespin. If you don't have a clothespin, that's okay. You can just hold the paper right here. You don't need a clothespin. There's also a paintbrush. Paintbrush. We have some beautiful silver wire. Silver wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's some flower foam. Some shiny stickers. A thumbtack. Be careful, it's sharp. Ouch! And some blue paint. Blue paint. There's also a paper with the star constellations. Can you say constellation? Great job! The first thing you will do is open the bottle of blue paint. Open, open, open. Then you will get your paintbrush and paint the cardboard tube. Let's paint. I put the tube on my hand so it's easier to paint. You can also put it on the table. After you finish painting, your hands will be dirty. So go wash your hands and put this away. Also, wash your paintbrush. Wash your paintbrush and wash your hands. And we can let the tube dry. Don't touch it if it's wet. While the blue tube is drying, you can get ready the beautiful silver wire. You have 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to put the 5 pieces together. Together. Okay? Can you say together? You cross the wire like this and you twist, 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 twist. See, it's together. Let's do it again. Cross the wire like this and twist, 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 twist. It's together. It's longer. Let's make it longer. Cross the wire together. It's longer. One more time. Cross the wires together and twist. Now it is so long. Now you get your scissors. We are going to cut the pictures of the constellations. Let's cut. If your child is small, maybe the mommy or daddy can cut like this. And then the child can cut here. This constellation is called Andromeda. Andromeda. This constellation is called Canis Major. This constellation is called the Little Dipper. This constellation is called the Big Dipper. The Little Dipper, the Big Dipper. This constellation is called Orion. Can you say Orion? This constellation is called Cassiopeia. Now we are going to get the flower foam and the thumbtack. Be careful, it's sharp. We are going to put the constellation on top of the flower foam. Then you will put the thumbtack on the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see the holes? They look like stars. You can make the holes in all of the constellations. After the cardboard tube is dry, you can put the long silver wire around the tube. Ask your mommy or daddy to get a knife. Don't touch the knife, only mommy or daddy. And mommy or daddy can cut a little cut on the top and on the bottom. Then mommy or daddy can put the silver wire into the little cut like this, and you can twist it around and around, and mommy or daddy can put this into the little cut like this. Now it's time to put on the shiny stickers. Now the telescope is finished. Then you can take your constellation, and if you have this clothespin, you can put it here. Don't cover the hole. You can see the stars in the telescope. If you don't have this, that's okay. You can just hold it like this. Don't cover the holes and you can see. Ah, I see the stars. I hope you like your telescope and you can see the stars. Look outside tonight and tell me, do you see any constellations? I'll talk to you next time.